The Lee County communities of Beauregard and Smith Station continue to clean up following devastating tornadoes that hit down in the area Sunday afternoon.
Just basically went right through the middle of them, and as you can see, we're standing where a mobile home was formerly located, and the damage is just, well, it's just catastrophic.
Officials say that the EF4 tornado claimed the lives of over 20 people, including 3 children.
We had 22, because one died at the hospital. We had 22 on the scene down here that we did process and identify, and we're at the point probably within the next hour to start getting that information from families on where they want them to go.
Crews from throughout the state were on hand to help search through debris and locate any missing people. The area hit hardest was Beauregard, where dozens of homes were destroyed or damaged.
See, they're here. We have multiple agencies, not just from our local area, but we have them from other jurisdictions as well around the state. As far away as Baldwin County and at the coast, southern Alabama near Mobile, all the way up to Chilton County in North Alabama close to Birmingham, all over the state. And then of course along with them, other responders associated with other disciplines as well, our school system, our fire services, our EMS. It is a total united effort to support the people here in the Beauregard community.
The storm has received national attention, with President Donald Trump reaching out to state and local officials, promising A+ service through the Federal Emergency Management Authority.
Earlier today, we received a phone call at the EOC from President Donald Trump, who indicated to us that he has been in contact with our governor, Governor Kay Ivey, and he expressed his sincere condolences, and that he is thinking of all of us, and that he just wanted us to know that.
Officials remain in a state of shock as the cleanup continues.
As you would understand, still folks in a state of shock. I mean, one minute they have their homes, and the next minute they're gone. And then even more so than that, the loss of life and those who have lost loved ones. Those are the ones that we're most concerned about, and the ones we want to do everything we can to assist in any way we can.
Reporting from Lee County, Ken Ward, Eagle Eye TV.